about that southbound LLR? You got that radio on there?
Yeah, go ahead.
How are we doing today, sir? Come back again.
I'm doing well. How about you?
Doing good. Just trying to get this audio dialed in here.
Alright.
Well, I was sitting over there on the southbound 75 where it splits off for the turnpike, and I seen you coming by. You got a good-looking truck there, sir.
Oh, appreciate it.
Some of the folks are familiar with some of the work that I do out here, covering creating content and videos of guys like yourself with good-looking trucks strolling up and down the highway. If you wouldn't mind telling us a little bit about the truck that you're running there, we'd surely appreciate it.
Yeah, it's an 03 Peterbilt 379. It's got a 475 cat, 13 speed.
How long have you been running it for?
I've been in this one a couple years. We got a small fleet, about 10 to 12 trucks. They all look about the same.
Where are you guys based out of? And where are you headed to right now?
We're out of Maine. I'm just headed down here to Apollo Beach, Florida. Got a load of lumber on.
Oh, right on. Well, how long, if you don't mind, how long you been trucking for?
Only about 5.5 years.
Well, out of the 5.5 years that you've been out here, what have you enjoyed the most?
Oh, it's fun traveling and seeing the country. The company I'm at now is a good group of guys, so they make it fun. Got a couple of guys that have a lot of experience.
Yeah, I hear you can't beat that. Being around the right people with the right experience, you can't go wrong.
Yep, 10-4.
So out of all the things that you could have been doing, how'd you find yourself in the seat of a truck?
Oh, tried the school thing, and then after that, just got my CDL and just been doing it.
Well, that's pretty cool. Seems like it's do you feel that it's a good fit for you? Well, let me rephrase that. Do you feel like pulling a flatbed is a good fit for you?
Yeah, I enjoy the flatbed, enjoy doing the tarps. It's good exercise and keeps it interesting. You get different loads and whatnot.
Yeah, I hear you there. I'm gonna drop back behind you. I'll pop up in that right lane so we can get a shot of that tarp job there, right?
10-4.
Well, I tell you what, I've never had to be in the position to do a tarp job. The trucking that I've done in the past was always heavy haul, so there's no tarp in there. So I got to give you that credit there. A lot of guys don't care to be up there and wrestle with tarps, but you got it all dialed in, looking good there.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, this load's not too bad. Apologize, I'm not probably the best person to be doing the interview with. We got a couple guys that are a bit more talkative than myself, but, it is what it is, I guess.
Yes, sir. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm just glad you had your radio on. Nowadays it's tough to come across anybody that might have the radio on.
I keep it on, just monitor it. I think it's a useful tool. I think it's something you need.
Yeah, absolutely. You never know what's going on down the road. So, like you said, it's a useful tool to monitor things. A guy doesn't have to be yakking on it 24/7. But at the same time, if there's something going on and we're out here trying to be professional and look out for others, then that radio is going to do the job.
That's right, I agree. Yeah, I heard you holler at me before, but I wasn't quite sure you were trying to get a hold of me or not.
Yes, sir. So with that truck there that you've been running, what's your favorite part of running that truck?
Oh, it's nice just to not have, the newer stuff, and because I had a newer one at the last company I was at with the electronic dash, and I like the old school gauges and the toggle switches.
Yes, sir. I think everybody enjoys that, the old mechanical, linear, authentic feel, less the plastic.
Absolutely. I'll be taking this next rest area up ahead. I gotta take a little bit of a break because I got a appointment time in the afternoon. Can't get there too early.
Yeah, 10-4 on that.
Well, I appreciate it. It's kind of a surprise there, but what's your name? I'll look you up.
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Chris from Big Rig Videos. You'll see this thing see the video pop out on the internet in a little bit, but I appreciate you, man. You have yourself a good day, and we'll catch you another day.
You as well, man. Take it easy.